Well, I was doing some cleanup work and I was thinking about dumping the dirt out of this long pot here. And before I did, I noticed some green, and along with some miscellaneous weeds, there's a tiny iris growing right there, and then there's one a little taller. Oh, there it is. Right there. And then on the other end there's a couple of taller ones. But I planted these in the fall of 2014, and then last spring I checked to see if they came up, and I remember checking till about mid-June or so, and then I finally just gave up on them, and my wife planted some stuff in this planter and I forgot all about them completely until this spring. It finally came up. There's one that's broken off. But anyway, I thought that was kind of neat that it was like a year and a half before they came up.